everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can unblock someone on Messenger. First step, open Messenger on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Now, press the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and here you'll see the options, Settings. Now, just press the settings icon, and here you'll see the option Privacy and Safety. This is just below Accessibility. Once you've clicked Privacy and Safety, just look for blocked accounts, and here you'll see all the accounts or users that you've blocked. Just press the account that you want to unblock and press Unblock Messages and Calls. Just remember that unblocking someone means that your Facebook account may start messaging that person. And that's how easy it is to unblock someone on Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. See you next time!